How to fix Chase mobile app not working in your Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Chase mobile app not working in your iPhone or Android. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and restart your phone. This can fix the temporary problems that might be stopping the app and fix all the app problems. Now check your internet connection. Try using Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if that's the problem, and also update the app and your phone software. So go to Play Store if you're using Android and App Store if you're using iPhone. From here, simply search for Chase mobile application. Once you find it and see an update button over there, you can tap on it to update it to its latest version. And this is going to fix the bugs, glitches, and help you with a smooth experience with the app. Now, come back and try clearing the app's cache. So go ahead and tap and hold on to this application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Go to Storage and click on Clear Cache. But in iPhone, you can go to General and then go to iPhone Storage. Search for Chase mobile application. And once you find it, offload the app. Also try uninstalling this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. Also make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app. Come back, and if nothing works, you can go to app's website or support page for help. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.